I'm gonna talk about something that I'm not really supposed to talk about. But I'm gonna talk about my job. I'm a scientist. My technical term is a chemist, data collecting analyst, engineer, technician. It's just a long name, so I just say I'm a scientist because it's basically what I am. But even though people don't believe me that I'm a scientist or tell me that I'm not a scientist, doesn't make it true, because I literally am a scientist. These are all my chemicals that I work with. This is just a little bit of it. Then I got like some Teflons and nylons and those. Then over there is my flammables, like methanol and isopropanol and, toluene, stuff like that. And then there's my corrosives. And then in this safe, we got all the big drugs. And my lab is literally like a fishbowl. So, talk about something that I'm not supposed to, but you know what? People need to be aware of the things that are in their food. So my boss was doing an experiment, and she took one of our devices, which is called a True Narc, and put an M&M, a hard candy M&M, in front of the nose cone, which is a class 3B laser. And basically what the device does, it reads the spectrometry, which breaks down the molecular level of like p-values and what is actually making up this M&M. So the results took about like 20 minutes to a half an hour. It was really long. And there's only 2 ingredients. The first one was sucrose, which is sugar. The second one was titanium dioxide. And I don't know if y'all know this, but titanium dioxide is just for opaque. It's just for food coloring. It's just to make food more appealing and look more delectable than what it actually is. Kind of reminds me of Satan, twisting everything, Yahuwah's word, against Eve, and made her lustful to be appealing to the forbidden fruit, to eat it. Doesn't that kind of sound like the same? It does, because most of the ingredients in our food are banned everywhere, like yellow 6, red 40, there's blue, I can't remember the number, blue. So many ingredients that are just for food coloring to make food more appealing. But titanium dioxide is in food and also in feminine products. Also, there's chlorine in feminine products. So make sure, I cannot stress this enough, make sure you know what every ingredient is in whatever you are purchasing. And if you don't know, look it up. People love Google so much, except for when to look up something, because half of the things that we're ingesting is not considered food. So just be wary of that. And always, always pray over your food. Shalom.